How's it going, guys? And in this video we are going to be replacing the battery in a MacBook Air, and this one is from 2011, so it's a bit old, and the battery from Apple finally decided to kick the bucket, so we're going to be cracking this thing open. And the screws you have are the pentalobe screws that Apple loves using. That makes it difficult, so you need a little special screwdriver to get these out. There are 10 of them in total on the back, and the two up top are longer than the others. So after you do this part, just make sure to remember to put these in a safe location. Remember that the two top ones are the ones that you want to actually be putting in those top two middle holes on the case itself. And then once you've got these all removed, the next step is going to be actually just removing the back plate, and then you'll get access at the internals. The battery is held in with a simple clip that presses in parallel to the board, so you don't just lift up on it, it has to press into the slot. And then once you press into the slot, you're then able to get access and remove the Torx screws that are provided. And so after you remove these Torx screws, the battery should simply lift up. There shouldn't be any adhesive, and then you can install the new battery and slot in that new power cord for the battery to connect it to the main board in this laptop. And then from there, you just repeat this process in reverse, and you will be installing all the Torx screws back into the battery and the actual pentalobe screws onto the actual case, and from there you're done. And the only other thing that is worth noting is that it is best practice to also reset the SMC on this computer prior to or after you've done installing the new battery. And the way you do that is you will take the computer, you'll unplug the power, and you will hold down the Shift, Control, Option, and Power key simultaneously for 10 seconds. The laptop should not turn on. And then after you've done that, you will plug in the power cord and then press the on button as you normally would. And once you've done this, you will successfully reset the SMC and install the new battery into your MacBook Air. Hope this video helps. Thank you all for watching.